Monday morning, so some of the blues are there. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Jacob here.
Hi, Jacob.
How you doing?
Hi.
I'm doing fine. Hi, Kishwan. Hi, Shaket. Okay. We have covered most of the things last week. Actually, like we have talked about the delegation, right? Actually, how we can delegate. Yeah. Okay. So today we will talk about the reporting. Okay, how we can generate reports in Pega. Okay. So see, what's the basic benefits of reports, right? Reports actually, like if you can see, reports are widely like for anything. Actually, what the status, actually what is completed, how many new purchase request came, how much amount is that, how much profit happened. Okay, so there are a lot of reports you can generate. So reports can be of two types. One will be process data, one will be your business data. Like process data means that how many cases are getting generated, how many new customers are coming, okay, what is the like delivery status for that, right? All that thing will be like related to your process. And then what is the amount, okay, how much actually profit you have, so that all of the business. Okay, so how you are going to generate like both of them together. So Pega provide a lot of different reports by inbuilt, so we can directly use them if you want to check it out, and we can build our own report as well. Okay, so basic rule related to reports, and there are actually like if you can see there are other reports are as well. So which is like related to performance, related to alerts. Okay, so there are actually other reports as well, which is actually give you the overview of your how your application is performing. So system wise, if you go with the refactoring database, so you can see a lot of different reports as well, which is actually going to support your application, the developer activity, like that you can able to create that as well. So let's see actually like what are the basic rules behind the reports. In earlier version, actually like in Pega 7, we have the rule which is we called as report definition. In earlier version of Pega, like if you see in Pega 6 or before that, there are two different reports. In place of report definition, there are two different report rules, which list view, summary view. Okay, so there are two different rules, which is actually like deriving the report part of it. But with Pega 7, what they did it, they combine both list view and summary view report to a single rule, report definition. Okay, to simplify, and they enhance the performance of the report definition as well. And there are two more rules, category and the shortcut. So category is the rule which is like will decide that what is the type of the rule, actually which category it belongs to. It belongs to monitoring, it belongs to quality, or it belongs to business data. So that actually like you can say as category. Or category is actually like you can have public category, you can have private category. So public will be available to everyone, private will be specific to yourself. Okay, and shortcut is a rule which makes a report definition to make it a entity in the browser, report browser. Okay, I'll tell you now what does that mean in the shortcut. Okay, so shortcut, we don't create mainly shortcut rule by ourselves. Mainly Pega creates the shortcut rule when we actually mark that report browser definition to be displayed in the browser. So that will created by Pega itself. Okay, so normally we have created some report definition, right?
Okay. Sorry, Margaret. So what are the two types of reports again? So business report and what's the other one?
Process data.
Okay, process data. Thank you.
Yeah. So here we can see that we have created some reports like get employee, right? So that's actually one of the report definition we've created. Actually, we have created on that. So we need to understand some of the more steps onto that now. It's running a little bit slow, and in the meantime, I'll just stop.
So Mukesh,
yeah.
so previously in our previous classes, I remember you told like we use report definition to extract the data. Like among the three methods, one is report definition, which we used.
Right. You are actually extracting the data only and it representing as a report.
Okay. And
Right.
list view and summary view are the subtypes of report definition.
No, that was a different rule which is existing in the previous versions.
Okay.
It was doing that like to extract the data and actually displaying.
Okay. So now they are together report definition.
Yes, actually like it was combined, the list view and summary view both combined in a single rule, report definition. So here you can see it's like you can generate charts as well here. So earlier, like for just list, you need to go for list view, and if you go for summary and chart, you need to go for summary report.
Okay.
Okay. So today we are going to talk more about this rule, report definition. Okay. So this is actually one of the report definition which we have seen. Okay. So here what we did is actually you can see edit columns where we have all the columns for a particular class you can combine here. Okay. So if you see here like department ID. Okay. So I don't want department I like okay I'll come back to that later. Okay. I'll come back to that. So now if you see first name, last name, department ID, phone number, you have all that, right? So this is the fields, all the columns you want to extract in the report. Okay. And in the filter, what you're doing is you are doing is a like the where clause, how many, like this is the which all columns you want, and the edit filter actually which all rows you want from the table. So we are putting the condition here. So here we have different options. So if you say like I'm going to be say something days, but I don't think so days we have anything in the field wise. Okay, I need to start the database because this table is belongs to external table. Otherwise it will be a problem. Yeah, that's why actually it's not coming. Actually, like we can run in any of the table, like if it is external table or it can be internal table as well. Just want to show you this. Actually, like if you have have you used any date field, we have a lot of different options. Like if it's today, okay, you need to use different function. So if you want to use any function, we can. Let's first start this. No. So we started. That's not coming. Yeah, now it's started. Come on. Oh, leave that now. Okay, I'll explain that later. So here actually like whatever the condition you want to put, we can put it here. Okay, we have You can put values. If it's a date, you can do current date, last quarter, month, year, so that you can select multiple values here. You can put any function if you want to put to get the values, the relationship you can select. Okay, and there is actually, like, you can see one more option, remove duplicate rows. So if we say your rows is getting duplicate due to some reason, right? So when the row actually which you're selecting, it's duplicated, you can remove, just click onto that, it will remove the duplicate rows. You don't need to do anything else for that. No, yeah, no, it's fine. Okay, so that we can do that. Something's wrong. So refresh it once. Okay, now I think it should be fine. Why it's not coming anything now? Okay, leave that now. It should come, but maybe some there is some issues happening behind everything. I'm not able to check out the things. Some issues with this report definition. Let's try with another one, the product. Okay. Yeah. So here we see that we have different same report. So if we say product ID, okay, it is there, and the quantity is greater than or equal to 10. Have we covered the report definition somewhere? Okay, fine. So this is where you can see this is like you can have here in the summarize column you have different options. Okay, so if you want to go for just count, you can count distinct, max, mean. Okay, so that you can check that. So if you say you want to go for a summary report, to convert that into a summary report, so that you can see that, okay, you want to count of the product subcategory. What is the product? How many category of the product you have? So if you say you want to go for like that, count. So if you say I want to go for count, and you can write the function here, count. Oh, no need of function here anymore. Okay, basically like you want that count here. Okay. And there is actually sorting type. So we say that like, what type of sorting you want, you can sort it as well, highest to lowest, lowest to highest. So if we say actually I want to go with the lowest to highest for this product category, of say highest to lowest, and product subcategory highest to lowest. Okay. So that actually order we can change. So if you are using any summary function here, this is like we call it summary function. If you are using any of the summary function here, then you can able to go for chart and everything. That will become a summary report there. So let's say it's like received it, and we can able to run the report. Okay, it's not coming any data for this. So I'm actually just removing the second condition. Okay, I'm not getting any rows, so I just remove that now. And I'm going to run the report once again. No. No conditions. This data is not there. It should have data. It should give me some data. We included some data into that, right? If we put anything here, edit filter is completely not there. Then it should get me the records. Oh, it's completely blank. We have no records in this. We have inserted many records here. Oh. Okay, that's why actually all the details are not coming there. It's completely blank. Okay. Let's go back to the other one actually, because there's no data. Like without data, no point of running the reports. Let's see with the employee ID once again. No, this had some issues. Okay, let's do in another way. Try to save that rule in another version. Let's, but again it will create problem. Yeah. No, some issues happening. Why it's like that? Okay, maybe let me log out and come back again. Still the problem persists. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new report definition now. Okay, in the same class. Okay, we are using Okay, something actually wrong with this. Password is expired. Mm-mm-mm. I need to change the password for Oracle. Hello?
I think you already have the SID, right? You already have the database ID, right? The system ID. You just want to change the password, right?
Yes, right.
I don't know if you need to set the SID again because you already have the SID.
No, I'm just setting the, yeah, it should be same with that. Okay, it might be the same, just I need to use the other command.
Okay,
Yeah.
exactly, okay. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what you need. Just changing password. Not good. Voila.
The system.
It's no need to change all thing.
I think I need to write in this way.
Practice things.
No.
I mean, system user system, that's spelling wrong.
Yeah,
That is,
Okay.
It's ELTR.
Sorry. Okay, both are in that way.
When you write things fast, that's what happens.
Yeah. Okay. Not connected. Started the database.
Is it up? Is the server up?
No, it's saying that not connected. I think that's the I need to set the your cursor here. Unknown set option. What if I can do it? It's not there.
Is this sample
Do I
one?
need to write SQL plus here first? Just a minute. You can get a little bit. खराब होने लगी है So that's we have changed. Oh, I've stopped everything. Hello. Yeah, now it's working fine. Actually, that's the database password is expired, so we are not able to connect to this one and not able to check out anything in that. Now it's fine. So now if you see and just run the reports, you will be able to get the data here. Yeah, we are getting the data of all the appointment of that employee, right? Yeah. So that's actually like your report definition, your edit columns, edit filters. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Summarize tab is blank, right? You said only after we give something in summarize column, then the summarize report definition will.
Yeah, this is just a list view. This is the list report.
Okay.
Now we are not doing any. So if you say I want to use another column, so put it just a count here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to give some header count. Okay. So now if you go for that, so that's actually you can see now it becomes counting everything. First name, last name, and then it is doing in this way.
Yeah.
So this actually changed in that. Okay. So say you want to, currently only one option is coming. Other options are not coming in this, like it's external database, so it should come other options as well. Go with that new option. Oh, only one option is coming at the moment because I think not sure why that only one option is coming now. It should contain all other options as well, max, mean, as well. Okay, I'll check this out. This is strange. If it is an external database, might be the option will be less. If it is internal database, my option will be maybe more. I'm not sure on that. I'll check this out. Okay. So normally, like what I'm going to tell you is, so if you go to your other two page, like report viewer. Okay. So main thing I want to discuss about this report viewer. So here you can see that displayed. Did we cover this one report already? I think we have covered already reports, right?
No, we did not discuss about report definition in detail.
Yeah, actually, like I can see this display in report browser, and I think I show you that there also in manager portal in open case that reports came there as well.
Reports came?
Reports, I think I talked about reports already we have talked. This is actually I created the private category, this one as well on that day, right? Okay, reports already we have done. So that's actually like the get employee RD is already there. Yeah, so that the reports are coming here. Okay, we have discussed about the reports already. I thought we have not discussed this. Okay, reports already we have talked about that, but okay. Actually, like I talked about this enable actions and we have generated the reports as well already. That I talked about this one as well on that day. Charts. Okay, everything I think I've covered on that day. Oh, okay. This today's session, okay, yeah, fine. Actually, like okay, I'll just give you one advanced option. Okay, like see, I want to going to join another things on that. Okay, so let's say I want to add the. So currently you can see that in your query, I'm getting the department ID. I want the department name to be populated here. Okay, how I can do that? So let's say first thing I need to check if it is my department table is there or not. Yeah, I think I need to include the department table here. Let's see like HR. and the department. Okay, fine. Then I want to be part of the employee label. Okay, the department ID will be the key for that. So let's submit that. It will create the class and the properties for the department. So there you can see the department name is there. So in place of department ID, I want to join the two tables and get it that. Okay. Okay. So we have now included like that. Now we'll go to, so in place of this, we want to join department. Okay. So we need the okay. So let's see, we have get data department. Okay, and here actually what we are going to do is we are going to condition. Okay, so condition actually both department ID we want to match. Okay, so this is actually one table, we are matching the both table now. Okay, so that's actually now join, and then here in place of this, now I can go with the suffix d dot department name.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so if you run this report, I'm going to get the department name in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you say you are getting the department name now, so you are combining two tables now here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once you combine the tables, you can use any fields in those two tables.
Yes.
And the key to the two tables now is department ID, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say you want to get the manager name also to print here, right?
Yeah.
So let's say you need another join. So for the same table, you need to join now.
Okay.
Okay. So this is actually e-data employees.
Okay. I got it.
So here actually again you need to match with the employee ID to employee ID.
Yes.
Okay. So here you are matching the employee ID with it should not come with the department manager. Let's say we want to mapping with the manager ID. So it will give you the manager details with that.
Okay.
Okay. So in the query, what you're going to write it?
It's manager.
emp dot manager first name. So you want actually again first name of the manager, right?
Okay.
So that's the source, and you want to write it here as the manager. So he'll be the manager for the employee.
I get it. It's like SQL. Like if you join the table, then you can pull any number of columns from that table because it's joined.
So if you see, oh, currently it's not matching anything. What the wrong we put? What I did is I'm taking this one I'm matching with the, no, the condition is wrong. The join which we have put,
Okay.
no refund against this cancellation because so training cancel. नहीं होगा बोला, no refund.
अरे नहीं ये और एक ट्रेन का देख रही हूँ।
हाँ तो वही बता रहा है, no refund against this cancellation. The train is running later more than 3 hours. No refund. No refund. No refund.
ट्रेन 3 hours later
No refund. हाँ वो लिख तो रहा है. अब sorry. What actually include all rows in this class? Include all rows in join class. Okay, let's see. No. So this is actually employee and mapping another thing, but I want the manager ID of the first table should match with the yeah. This is fine. This is the condition is fine. No. But manager name is not coming. Let me check with this. I'm putting the manager ID and trying to yeah, okay. All are actually all of the same manager. Oh, but here actually keeps saying something is wrong. It's actually coming like the same name coming with the all the department now, and this is actually like okay. This is actually something getting wrong.
I think employee ID and manager, that mixture, I don't think it's. The second condition where we match employee ID to manager, I think is where it's causing this problem.
Just a minute. Just a minute. How will I get the, okay, department names comes without, right? Actually, because with the same table, we want to map the manager and get the manager name from that. So this is like map the table. In the condition, I get that, okay, this is actually for the same table. I'm mapping that. Okay. This actually never will be succeed, right? Actually, the employee ID of the new table. I think I put the condition as employee ID. So I can write in this way, I think. EMP dot employee ID. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it's coming that. Actually, okay. That's actually what I was doing is I was doing one of the things wrong, and I think I did mistake here as well. I should put the that here as well.
Why should we write like that, like EMP dot or department dot?
Yeah. See, this is actually like you should get only 2 rows. Okay. You need to map. Okay. So actually, if you are just putting dot, it's actually taking the current table only. Like you need to put the suffix and then you need to compare it. So if you say like if you want to change with something other department, like if you say for others, so if you say we want to go with the some other department, or maybe actually I'm not giving any values as of now. Okay. And if you say if you run the report, it will give you the complete details about that now. So if you can see that all the names are coming with that now, and the department names are coming as well. Okay. So this way we can join and we can able to get the details.
So the suffix is for fetching. Can you just tell them?
Yes, suffix. This is the prefix. Actually, if you see, you are maintaining that as a new table. There is some more option, like there are advanced option, declare index, join, association. Okay, there are some more concept like sub report. There is one more concept is sub report. So this way also you can join. There are some of the advanced concept that you can check it out. Okay, so this is actually as this course, this will be not going to be covered. These 3 more methods are there, which is actually advanced.